In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nordvpn's ad blocker to protect yourself from those pesky ads that can clutter your online experience. Let's dive right in and make sure you can browse the web more smoothly and securely. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll need to access the Nordvpn application. This is your starting point, and it can be easily accessed from your device. If Nordvpn isn't installed, make sure to download it from the official website to ensure you have the most recent and secure version. Once you've got the app open, you're already on your way to a less cluttered browsing experience. Now, let's focus on navigating through the app. On the main interface of the Nordvpn app, you'll want to look for the section labeled Threat Protection. This is a particularly powerful feature that Nordvpn offers to enhance your internet security by providing a barrier against various online threats, including intrusive ads. Once you locate Threat Protection, go ahead and give it a click. This will lead you to the next set of features that are designed to keep your browsing not only secure, but also more enjoyable by minimizing annoying interruptions. Moving forward, now that you are in the Threat Protection suite, you'll notice an option for Ad and Tracker Blocker. This is where the magic really happens. Clicking on this will enable a powerful tool designed specifically to fend off ads and trackers that attempt to follow your online movements. This feature doesn't just stop ads. It also helps protect your privacy by keeping digital trackers at bay. The next step is to click on Ad Blocker. This specific function zeroes in exclusively on advertisements that try to pop up while you surf the web. When enabled, the ad blocker works tirelessly in the background to ensure your sessions are as seamless and interruption-free as possible. These steps are key to maintaining a cleaner, quicker, and more private browsing experience. By enabling these features within Nordvpn, you significantly reduce the number of ads and trackers, allowing you to focus on the content you actually care about. Remember, while these tools do a fantastic job of minimizing unwanted disturbances, it's also essential to stay aware and vigilant about your general online security practices for an optimal browsing experience. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to use Nordvpn's ad blocker. Implementing these steps means you can browse with fewer annoyances and greater peace of mind. Enjoy your improved internet experience and keep exploring safely.